Best advice, look, it's the most common advice for aspiring writers. Just write a lot. But it really is it's the way you learn. Read a lot, really important. And like I say, it's just don't be overwhelmed by what you think it should be, what you think the process should be. Your process is your own, and feel free to skip around to just write the parts you want to. Understand that there'll be a point where you need to go back and make it all kind of come together. But if you've written the parts that you like, then you've got things in hand, and you've got signposts along the way, and that other stuff that connects those pieces will be easier to do because it's not. So don't feel you have to it shouldn't be, there's an effort to writing, but it shouldn't be drudgery, and it should be more fun than effort. And I can't sit here and say that that's always the case, but if you kind of keep that mindset, it keeps you going. And I think that's real important because you really do have to write a lot of stuff. And you have to be prepared that whatever you're working on now may not do anything for you at this time. But it doesn't dissolve. It doesn't go away. It stays on your hard drive, or it stays on the thumb drive that you put it on, or wherever you store it, or on the in your journal that you put up on the shelf. It's always around, and you can always kind of come back to it. So, absolutely, to me, the most important thing is the most common. There's a reason why it's the most common advice, which is just keep writing and write a lot.